is going to be the ultimate gaming PC. Right here. Let's begin. So you see, as you can see, it's already opened. I did not open it and unbox it because I just always freaking cut it off some tape so that way it can be easier for me. I don't have to spend time fucking opening that shit. So let's go. Let's begin. You ready? Alright. What the hell? Okay. So first thing, it comes with a black box. Let's see what's inside the black box. As you can see, it comes with the mouse. The mouse is a gaming mouse. It comes with the. I think they stated that it has 9 buttons in the mouse, probably. Yeah, hold it right here. You right over here. Where's the stats? Yeah, right here. I think the stats is right here. Yeah, it says right here. 9 button gaming mouse. You can see it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Windows 10, everything, all that stuff. This is how it's gonna look. It even has the, what's it called? Lifetime technical support, 1 year standard warranty, and 15 color RGB lighting system. So that's the button, you can change the colors. Any color you want, bro. Any color, man. That's what's sweet about this computer. But anyways, this is the mouse that they were talking about. Look how sweet that shit is. Can't wait to play that shit. And this is the stuff, I think, yeah. See, that's the button. You see, that's the. Oh, let me take it out. That's the wire. I don't know what's this thing, but we'll find out later. Alright. This is. What is this? We'll find out what this is out. But anyways. Book, manual book, and the Windows 10 disk. And. Favorite all time, the color and switch. Alright, let's put things back like this. And they got the important to read first, so we'll read that after that. What does it have? Okay, it has some stuff management, how to set up that PC and everything. Alright. And that's the one you want. 1 year free of McAfee antivirus. This is what's inside the black box. Now let's see the big guy. Okay guys, I'm back. Unfortunately, some audience wanted to see the mouse. So let me go back and unbox the mouse for you guys. Hey, shit. Go give me a knife or something. I can't rip this off. We'll leave that for later until he gives me the knife. Okay, so record. This is the gaming right here. This is the baby right here. And this is the keyboard right here. The keyboard's all the way up here. There he goes. Now this is a tactical membrane, huge rubber dome design, gives you suburb tactical feedback. Okay, multimedia gaming keyboard. That's what it is. Sweet, look at it. They already got the button set up for you because that's where you move. That's the mic. That's it. Everything. Can we open this? Yep, I think we can open this. Silence. Alright, so now this inside here. Things we can try to get this out. There it is. There it is. Look at that. So you got the everything set up. You got the lights over here for caps lock, scroll lock, mun lock. I don't know what the hell's mun lock. Num. Oh, that's num lock. Feels good. Can't wait to set this baby up. Let's put it back over here. Did y'all get the knife? And time for the big guy. Take him out. like I'm gonna have to take us up on the couch and slide it over. That's the only way to take out a computer. Set it up on the couch. And slide that baby up. There it is. Smoothly done. Look at it. Is that the back or the bottom?
Bottom.
Oh, that's the bottom actually. Alright. I'll put it on top of it. Hey, look at it. Look at it. Hey, that's where you put the LEDs right here on the side. That's the cover right here. Oh yeah, that's the way they brought these in. Probably for this, in order to, if you want to customize it and add more stuff into it, you can. Fresh out the box. All right, let's see. Did we show you? Yeah, here's everything. Oh, let's show you guys the back. Let's show you guys the back. The back. So, okay, it has all this HDMI cable, which, just in case if you don't need these two, you can just put the HDMI. And it has the USB, and it has these things. If you have old ass mouses or something like that, they still give you those futures of them. But anyways, nobody's gonna use no old ass mouse like these. Everybody has a USB mouse or a wireless mouse. And this. Here, what is this? Does this come out? What is this? Nah, it doesn't come out. Okay, let's get back to the mouse. Let's unbox the mouse. Real quick, since we got the knife. Oh wow, we don't need to. We didn't even need the fucking. We didn't need the fucking mouse. They already gave you this spot right here to peel off. Wow. We could have opened it before. Doesn't matter, now we get to open it now. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. I think I pressed a button. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, another extra, damn. Many buttons, bro. Looks sweet as heck. That's pretty sweet. It's the hand. Yeah, but I think that's everything. That's everything, yeah, probably everything. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's everything, I think. Let's see if there's anything that we need to show them. But anyways, we'll make a video of it, set up, and you guys get to see it in action. All light up with LEDs and everything's turned on. Just, yeah, we just gotta set up the room and everything. Hey, they even give you this thing for the mic, those porch mics. Another USB there. These are for these are for memory cards, SD cards, SSD. But anyways, this is it, guys. This is all it. That's all. There's all what you get in the computer. Oh shit! Hold up. That tape went inside. Bro, what the? Doesn't matter. Yeah, but anyways guys, this is it. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos And make sure to check out my channel, Apple from Michigan. Those of you who haven't searched it, subscribe for the channel. There's a lot of funny videos that I upload. There's vlogs, you know, vacations, everything, bro. See you guys later, and peace.